Ever wondered if Volvos are truly reliable cars? With their strong reputation for safety, these Swedish cars often get overlooked for their durability. In this video, we'll dive into the top 8 most reliable Volvo models, from luxurious sedans to practical SUVs, and why they're built to last. Number 8. 2020 Volvo XC40. The 2020 Volvo XC40 is a compact SUV that strikes the perfect balance between modern design and reliability. It comes with two engine options: a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 with 187 horsepower and a more powerful 248 horsepower version. Whether you opt for front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, the XC40 handles corners confidently and offers excellent traction. Number 7. 2020 Volvo V60. Volvo has been known for its station wagons, and the 2020 Volvo V60 keeps that tradition alive. This model offers a rugged cross-country trim alongside the regular variants, making it a reliable choice for those who enjoy both comfort and off-road capability. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, the V60 delivers either 250 horsepower or an impressive 415 horsepower with the hybrid T8 trim. Number 6. 2013 Volvo XC90. Even though newer XC90 models are on the market, the 2013 Volvo XC90 remains one of the most reliable models from the brand. This midsize SUV features a sturdy 3.2-liter inline-6 engine that produces 240 horsepower. Its spacious interior, complete with leather seats and wood trims, adds to its luxurious feel. This model proves that you don't have to buy the latest version to get a dependable SUV that can stand the test of time. Number 5. 2012 Volvo S60. The 2012 Volvo S60 is a sporty sedan that combines elegance and reliability. Its turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-5 engine produces 250 horsepower, while the T6 AWD variant offers a bit more power with 300 horsepower. Thanks to Volvo's all-wheel drive system, this sedan grips the road well in various conditions. With a JD Power score of 80 out of 100, this model has become a go-to option for those who want a reliable yet fun-to-drive sedan. Number 4. 2011 Volvo XC60. The 2011 Volvo XC60 is another SUV that shines in terms of reliability. It boasts a 3.2-liter inline-6 engine and offers 240 horsepower, making it capable of handling both city and highway driving with ease. The XC60 comes packed with standard safety features, including traction control and whiplash-preventing front seats. Number 3. 2010 Volvo C70. For those who love convertibles, the 2010 Volvo C70 is a gem. This model features a retractable hardtop and is powered by a range of 5-cylinder engines, offering up to 243 horsepower. It's stylish, fun to drive, and best of all, reliable. Whether you're cruising in the summer or enjoying a top-up drive in the winter, the 2010 C70 is a dependable choice for those who want both fun and functionality. Number 2. 2016 Volvo S60. The 2016 Volvo S60 is one of the most reliable models in Volvo's lineup, scoring 85 out of 100 on the JD Power scale. This sedan offers a variety of engine options, from a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 to a powerful 3.0-liter inline-6. Known for its smooth handling and safety features, the S60 is a practical choice for those who want a comfortable and reliable vehicle. With average yearly maintenance costs of $779, the 2016 S60 is a great option if you're looking for a used luxury sedan. Number 1. 2010 Volvo S80. Topping our list is the 2010 Volvo S80, a flagship model that offers both luxury and reliability. With a JD Power score of 87 out of 100, this sedan features a powerful 3.2-liter inline-6 engine and offers either front-wheel or all-wheel drive. Despite its age, the S80 is known for its strong build quality and low maintenance costs, averaging $658 per year. So there you have it, 8 of the most reliable Volvo cars that prove you don't need to sacrifice dependability for luxury. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which Volvo model is your favorite. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever wondered which Jaguars stand out as the most reliable? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Jaguar automobiles to uncover the top 10 most reliable models. From sleek sedans to powerful SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting luxury vehicles that blend style and performance. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. 2017 Jaguar F-Type. Kicking off our list is the 2017 Jaguar F-Type, a true successor to the iconic E-Type. Boasting sleek lines and a powerful presence, the F-Type commands attention on the road. With options ranging from a spirited 2.0-liter inline-4 bi-turbo to a roaring 5.0-liter V8, this beauty offers performance in abundance. And let's not forget the limited edition Project 7, a rare gem coveted by enthusiasts worldwide. With accolades from J.D. Power and Edmunds, the 2017 F-Type proves reliability can coexist with exhilaration. Number 2. 2012-2014 Jaguar XK. Next up, we have the 2012-2014 Jaguar XK, a testament to Jaguar's commitment to excellence. With a lineage traced back to its Top Gear awarded predecessor, the XK blends performance and luxury effortlessly. Whether cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads, this GT marvels at every turn. And with stellar ratings from Edmunds, the XK proves its mettle as a reliable companion on any journey. Number 3. 2005 Jaguar X-Type. Moving along, we encounter the 2005 Jaguar X-Type, a trailblazer in Jaguar's lineup. Breaking barriers as Jaguar's first all-wheel drive production car, the X-Type set a new standard for elegance and performance. Its refined styling and spirited performance captivate drivers, earning acclaim from critics and consumers alike. With rave reviews from Cars.com, Edmunds, and RepairPal, the X-Type secures its place among Jaguar's most reliable offerings. Number 4. 2017 Jaguar XE. Venturing into the sedan segment, we explore the 2017 Jaguar XE, a paragon of sophistication and reliability. With a choice of potent engines and timeless design cues, the XE exudes confidence on every drive. Garnering praise for its reliability from J.D. Power, the XE proves that luxury need not compromise dependability. As it gracefully exits the U.S. market, the 2017 XE leaves behind a legacy of style and substance. Number 5. 2005 Jaguar S-Type. Now let's turn our attention to the 2005 Jaguar S-Type, a blend of elegance and performance. With refined engines and impeccable styling, the S-Type captivates discerning drivers seeking a luxurious ride. Boasting long-distance comfort and impressive reliability, the 2005 S-Type earns accolades from Edmunds, cementing its status as a timeless classic. Number 6. 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio. Stepping into the realm of luxury sedans, we encounter the 2009 Jaguar XJ Portfolio, a pinnacle of opulence and performance. With a supercharged V8 engine and sporty suspension, the XJ Portfolio delivers exhilarating performance with every press of the pedal. Praised for its reliability by U.S. News and Edmunds, the XJ Portfolio redefines luxury motoring with unmatched refinement. Number 7. 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. Embracing the thrill of high-performance driving, we unveil the 2013-2015 Jaguar XFR XFRS. With a potent supercharged V8 engine and aggressive styling, the XFRS commands respect on the road. Despite initial reliability concerns, later model years receive praise for their dependability, making them sought-after gems for enthusiasts craving power and poise. Number 8. 2019 Jaguar F-Pace. Turning our gaze to the realm of SUVs, we encounter the 2019 Jaguar F-Pace, a fusion of practicality and performance. With a range of powertrains and advanced safety features, the F-Pace redefines the luxury SUV segment. Garnering high reliability ratings from U.S. News and J.D. Power, the 2019 F-Pace offers peace of mind without compromising on style or capability. Number 9. 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6. Delving into Jaguar's illustrious history, we revisit the 1994-1997 Jaguar XJ6, a symbol of timeless elegance and refinement. With a range of engines and luxurious appointments, the XJ6 epitomizes Jaguar's commitment to luxury motoring. Praised for its reliability and performance, the XJ6 remains a coveted classic among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 10. 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace. Concluding our journey, we encounter the 2017 present Jaguar E-Pace, a testament to Jaguar's evolution in the modern era. Built on a platform shared with Land Rover, the E-Pace offers versatility and performance in a compact package. Despite minor reliability issues, the E-Pace showcases Jaguar's commitment to innovation and excellence in every mile traveled. And there you have it, the top 10 most reliable Jaguars of all time. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, Jaguar has a rich history of crafting vehicles that combine performance, luxury, and dependability. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.